Hi, my name is Yuvraj Singh Chauhan.
My name is Kotaro Yama, Kotaroyama, and this is our final project, Sudden Death Game.
As soon as you run the app, you're brought to the main page. Here you can see a few buttons, the main button being the roll dice button. When you click this button, a combination of dices is brought in front of you and the corresponding score is recorded. After pressing the button, the player 2 button is pressed automatically and the player 2 scores are recorded. You can see the rules using the cheat sheet button, and you can see the point allocations for all the pairs and special rules like the sudden death rule. Moving forward, there are other buttons like the music button, which is used to control the sound in the game to turn it on or off. The game goes on for 5 rolls and the winner is decided after the 5th roll. If you win the game, you get a prompt and sounds with the prompt. If you wish to restart the game, you can do so by clicking on the restart button, and this will bring you back to the home screen of the game and you can play again. You can also choose to press the sudden death button after 2 rolls. When you press this button, the game gets concluded after the 3rd roll and the winner is decided on the basis of scores.
And I'll show you our sudden death dice app. So first thing you want to do is so you have this MATLAB window. Go to final.ml, the app file. Just double click on it. I'll show you like so you have a pretty much screen a little bit. Cool. So I'll run it to kind of show what it's like. So you have all these buttons basically. To start the game, you basically click on this roll dice button. It does like all the animation of rolling the dice, and then you know, you can see the points here, you total and Bill's total, and depending on the combination, you get anywhere from 0 to I believe 5,000 points or something. And then if you don't know the rules, you can click on cheat sheet and then look at all the rules here. So to implement this new window feature, I have to create another app file. Basically, so I have a HTML file here, and this is implemented with HTML. I just imported it into the file, and then have all the good stuff, the rules and the sudden death rule, the description of the sudden death rule. And if you don't need it anymore, you just close it like this. Yeah, so when you click on roll dice button, then the portion, this chunk of code fires up. Basically added the sound, and then the rolling dice sound, and then it gives you the random combination of 6 dice, and then put it into this variable, and this variable is pass into this move roll dice function, and go all the way down. You can see the move dice function, and what it does is it basically does the animation of this of like the action of throwing the dice here, and then it checks the combination to see what the combination is with this combination with this dice, and then once you exceed 10,000 points, then you win. The other way around, vice versa. So these functions determines the combination and whatnot. And yeah.
In this part of the video, I will explain what various buttons in the app do and how they are programmed, understanding the code view. If we go to the component browser and click on callbacks and go to the functions, we can see how the restart button is programmed. It simply turns off all the GUI and restarts the app. Next is the music button. In this button, we read the music from the files and use the if-else statement to code the button and turn the music on or off. Going on to the sudden death button. In this button restarts the game after the third roll once pressed. You can only press this button after the second roll and decide the winner. It uses simple if-else statements and various functions like switch case function to implement the feature. Next is the cheat sheet button, which opens a new app. In this app, a HTML page has been embedded, which opens the cheat sheet.
This brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it.